Yes, extra bushels at harvest time are convincing proof that your seed was drilled properly at planting time, that it was given every possible advantage to produce a high, profitable yield. When grain fields are as promising as this, and kernels are as plump as these, it's proof that your seed was planted evenly, uniformly, accurately, acre after acre. Planted the way John Deere grain drills are designed to plant, the way a John Deere B plain grain drill plants, the way a heavy-duty built for high-speed John Deere BA drill plants, and the way a John Deere FBB fertilizer grain drill plants. When you buy a John Deere, you're getting a better drill, one that will last you longer, give you more dependable service, more accurate planting year after year. Look inside for the reasons why. Examine carefully the feeds and openers, the heart of all John Deere grain drills. Here's a grain feed that handles practically all seed, large or small, with yield-boosting accuracy. Deep flutes on feed roll scoop seed gently from one-piece feed cup without damaging even the largest kernels. Feed roll can be set in or out to give you the exact seeding rate needed for a full stand every time. Note how feed cutoff is notched where it joins the feed roll to prevent damage to kernels. And see how easily this adjustable feed gate can be set to a small opening to handle small seed such as wheat, flax, or rye. The gate opens more for medium-sized seeds like soybeans, maize, safflower, and vetch. Opens still more for pea seed, kidney beans, and other large seed crops. And opens all the way to make cleaning of grain box and feeds easy. This is a precision-built, rigid feed that won't wobble, won't bind, won't leak, and won't damage seed and reduce germination. This is a feed that's easy to set with this lever to drill nearly any rate you desire. It meters seed accurately, uniformly, acre after acre, year after year. With a John Deere drill, there's no skipping or missing. This cutaway drill shows you why. Ground-driven steel roller chain with spring-loaded idler to keep chain taut provides smooth flow of power at all times. And this simple 4-unit gear drive relays this power to grain and fertilizer feeds. This is positive, backlash-free drive that eliminates skips and misses. Equally important to metering accurate quantities of seed is planting seed at a constant uniform depth so that maximum germination and even emergence is obtained. A full, high-yielding stand results. Jackknife spring pressure furrow openers assure proper placement. These controlled flexibility openers place seed at the same depth in depressions and on ridges as on the level seed bed. Spring pressure can be adjusted to match soil conditions, increased to assure sufficient penetration in firm seed beds, reduced for light, mellow seed beds. John Deere B, BA, and FBB grain drills have a choice of openers. You can choose one to match your soil and climatic conditions to a T. Single disc furrow openers with John Deere closed rear seed delivery boot system have no equal in hard ground conditions. They penetrate well, don't clog in wet, sticky soil. If you normally plant in a well-prepared seed bed, then double disc openers with rear of bearing seed delivery is your best choice. Single disc openers are regularly furnished in a straight line for 7 and 8-inch drills, or in a zigzag fore and aft position for 6-inch drills. Double disc openers are regularly furnished in zigzag for 6 and 7-inch drills and in straight line on 8-inch drills. Your choice depends on trash clearance needed for best field performance. Zigzag hoe-type openers are designed for hard or stony soil conditions and for newly cleared land. They have automatic spring trips that allow them to clear unyielding objects and return to the proper working position. Points on hoe-type openers are reversible, doubling their life and reducing replacement costs. Will the operator please turn the record? Deep furrow moldboard openers make roomy seed trenches and throw up high rounded ridges that reduce blowing and winter kill. These openers convert regular 6, 7, and 8-inch drills into 12, 14, and 16-inch deep furrow drills. Gauge-o-matic double-disc openers with rear-of-bearing seed delivery have a depth band mounted on outside of disc blades to gauge planting depth. A spring-loaded rubber tire firming wheel running behind each opener presses seed into bottom of moist seed trench. Gauge-o-matic openers boost yields of peas and similar crops by 12 to 15%. On John Deere openers, you have a choice of low-cost, flint-hard, chilled iron bearings, shown on left, recommended for use with John Deere Multi-Luber Quick Lube system, or the anti-friction sealed ball bearings shown at right. Regardless of the type of opener you use, V-type disc bars, which are attached to drill's frame at 2 points, maintain uniform row spacing at all times. Furrow openers stay in proper alignment. This results in a center line of draft and a better job of planting. John Deere B, BA, and FBB drills come in a variety of sizes with 6, 7, 8-inch row spacings and from 8 to 12-foot drilling widths. The FBB was designed as a combination drill. It has a large capacity fertilizer compartment with aggressive impeller feeds. Regardless of the analysis of dry fertilizer you use, impeller feeds meter it out accurately, uniformly, in just the amount you desire. Fertilizer is placed the way you want with the seed, or placed separately in a band above the seed. Impeller feed's shaft is easy to remove, so fertilizer box can be cleaned out thoroughly through these clean-out ports. An impeller feed dry fertilizer attachment is available for the BA drill. It holds a generous 42 pounds of fertilizer per linear foot. And either a gravity feed liquid or a star feed dry fertilizer attachment can be obtained for the B drill. An easy-to-detach grass seed attachment is available for the B, BA, and FBB drills. This attachment has precision fluted feeds built to extra close tolerances, so they will meter accurately such small seeds as alfalfa, clover, and lovegrass. A band seeding attachment is available that places grass seed over bands of fertilizer. With this gang press attachment, you'll obtain positive packing, quicker germination, faster emergence, and reduce costly soil erosion and winter kill. Grain, fertilizer, and grass seed boxes are easy to fill. They have watertight, non-spill scoop board covers. The B, BA, and FBB have 3 types of lifting equipment. The regularly furnished hydraulic cylinder lift shown here, this mechanical lift, where you merely pull a rope to raise openers and disengage grain, fertilizer, and grass seed feeds, and this hand lever lift. You can also equip BA or FBB drills with dual hydraulic cylinder lift, so half of the openers on drill can be raised while the other half continues to plant. The BA grain drill has several features you should consider. Heavier frame, axles, and tapered roller wheel bearings to take the jars and jolts of faster planting speeds, and high flotation wheels to carry the heavier fertilizer and seed loads. If you are a large acreage farmer, you'll be interested in a multi-hitch that will enable you to pull 2 drills at one time. There are several other extra attachments you should consider. Disc markers, multi-luber quick lube, which lubricates grease fittings on your drill, grain agitator, which maintains a continuous flow of seed into grain feeds, and fertilizer agitator, which keeps fertilizer material well mixed and prevents bridging. Yes, if you prefer to apply fertilizer during seedbed preparation, the John Deere B or the John Deere BA without fertilizer attachment is your best buy. On the other hand, if you normally apply starter fertilizer at planting, then either this John Deere BA drill with large capacity fertilizer attachment or this John Deere FBB drill is your best choice. These are truly modern grain drills built to give you many years of dependable, low-cost service. Built to plant your seed properly, accurately, in all types of soil and climatic conditions. Let us help you put more bushels in your own grain tanks with a new John Deere grain drill.